Hello. This is a quick overview of the final, which is very much like the study guide I sent out a while ago. This is a reminder of the course objectives taken from the syllabus. The chapter questions for study guide were aligned to these objectives. And here are the directions. I'm giving you 7 topics and questions that are aligned to the higher level skills outlined in the syllabus. Your task is to pick any 3 of the questions. Any 3 of the questions. Please follow directions. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For each question, please end it with a word count. All 3 essays are 400 to 500 or more words. You must use headings and subheadings, as in the paper 1 and paper 2. Okay. I'm going to be very strict on this. Use MS Word to correct errors. I don't really want to see red lines and green lines, etc., because MS Word self-correction makes near perfection possible. And it displays an attention to detail, which you know is a required work skill. I'll be looking for the applications to real-world issues, how you can use your analytical skills that you all know is a very definite employment world requirement, and that you can judge the worth of an idea or a concept. You know that's a true work skill. And, of course, creativity, for a total of 500 points. And I have the questions here. They are really the same, more or less the same, as was on your study guide that I distributed. If you have a question about any of these questions, ask them this coming week, and I will gather them together sooner rather than later and answer them. There you go. I hope you will find this a challenging activity and kind of fun, I hope. Thank you.